Are you one of those people who sees cake as a way to get more frosting in your mouth? Don't worry, it can be our secret. Today, Howard shares his as we make frosting in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Now that we're about to enter the holiday season, it seems like we're looking for new and exciting ways to kick up our baked goods. And whether we're looking to jumpstart our cookies, cakes, or even our bars, nothing does it better than finishing them with a homemade frosting. So let me share 3 of my favorites. Here I'm making a from scratch cinnamon buttercream frosting, which is simply some butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon beaten together. Now that it's light and fluffy, we stir in a splash of vanilla and some powdered sugar. After this comes together, we beat in some half and half and more powdered sugar. Does this look good or what? And for those of you who love the combo of chocolate and coffee, our mocha frosting is a creamy, fluffy spin-off of a ganache that is truly to die for. And if by chance you love caramel, really love it, then our decadent caramel frosting should not be missed. Imagine any of these slathered on cookies for Santa or on a really good snack cake. To get the recipes for our cinnamon buttercream frosting, the caramel frosting, and our mocha frosting, along with the snack cake recipe that I was talking about, just go to our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweeter way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.